As you suspected, today is about Christmas. So this is our limited edition holiday starter kits, a perfect little gift item for somebody who knows about stamping, or even if they don't, because it comes with everything you'll possibly need. And I have a few polish collections too. So I'm gonna kick it off with our CANDYLAND stamping polish collection. And we have another 3-piece collection, regular polish. So this is not meant for stamping, but definitely great toppers. And this is also like a fall winter collection we came out with. The next part is plates. So this one, it's called Party Animal. The next plate I have is called Vintage Christmas. This next one is called Art Deco. So this is meant to be kind of like a Happy New Year. I also have this plate too. This is like our fall winter. I also wanted to show you our limited edition winter scraper cards. This comes in a set so that you would get all 4 cards.